Hi, good afternoon. I am Mo. I am studying in Nakhon Si Thammarat Ratchapat University. I am third year student. This interview is for my project English for application. Let's start.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Teacher Care.
Where are you from?
I'm from Malaysia.
How old are you?
This year I am already 24. I'm turning 25 next month.
When did you come to Thailand?
The first time I came to Thailand was year 2018 when I studied as a exchange student, but to work 2023.
Why did you come to Thailand?
Oh, first thing, I became an exchange student, so I get to learn how to teach the students, Thai students, and then after a few years teaching in the Philippines, I decided to teach here in Thailand because I used to teach in an international school. I want to teach students with different culture than mine.
How long have you been in Thailand?
Around 2 years already.
What do you like in Thailand?
Oh, different things. With school or outside school? Outside school, the place, especially this university, is beside the mountain. Because in in Malaysia, I live in the city, lots of buildings and cars. Here, it's on the countryside, and in school, the work is lighter than the one I have in Malaysia.
Why do you like this?
Because I have more time to explore Thailand. Aside from working, I can use my time to spend time with my friends, explore the city, go to the beach.
What have you learned from coming to Thailand?
Personally, being more independent because I came here alone. I don't have any family members, so I have to do everything on my own and to do good at my job.
How are things going in your professional life right now?
Right now, in my professional life, I think everything is doing great. There's lots of activities in the school, have lots of sports day, camp, and I enjoy all of it.
What do you like about your job?
My students, my students, even some of them have a very limited English. When you see them try to communicate in English, it's very fulfilling on my end already.
What advice would you give me to improve my English communication?
To improve English communication for me, you have to practice. Even if your vocabulary is very limited, you have to use it. Like how I learned Thai. I learned Thai by using it in buying food, in asking questions outside. Same thing in English. You really have to use it. You have to ask questions in English. You have to reply in English. Even if at first the grammar is not yet correct, but if the dedication is there, as long as you try, your English will become better.
Okay, thank you very much for your
Thank you.
time and you have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you.